Hey everyone, Dan here. Before we get into it, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. And keep in mind that these are my own thoughts, opinions, and ideas. These are not meant to be, nor should you take them as, investment or trading advice in any way, shape, or form. Do your own due diligence, put in the work for yourself, and make your decisions based on that. Enjoy. Alright folks, here we are on Monday, April 1st. We're going to take a look at WULF today. So, quick update here on WULF. We see it is, for the time being at least, still holding this uptrend support. We weren't sure after it banged into it this first time and then a near miss here if it would really hold up to another sort of really strong entry or attempt to break through, and it did. So for now, that's still holding. Which, for as long as it persists and the price action gets sort of in these ranges, it does put in a series of ascending triangles, which may give opportunity for breakthroughs for as long as that pattern holds. Now, nearest in support and resistance levels that I have to the upside, 254 right now. It's situated at 2417. To the downside here, 2033. So just shy of entering that $2 psychological level. Now it does sort of gather itself and push back up 281, and then there's certainly some levels in between all of these, but there's just sort of a marker up here at 384. Now if it does lose this 2033, of course, next look is going to be what happens with this uptrend support. Does that continue to hold? If that doesn't, 172, 140, and then 117. So we're putting in, sort of a bit of a W here, but if you're a WULF bull, you're somewhat happy. You're sort of like reluctantly happy that this swing high was able to, surpass this swing high. But obviously the lingering question here is this guy over here, right? This attempt to hold just over 3. Does that continue to be able to play out that way, or do bears come in and continue to sell en masse right around that range? Now flipping over here to the think or swim side of things, not a ton happening here on the histogram. As it was putting in that swing high over 3, we got a little bit more height on the bullish histogram and a little more depth on the bearish area of the histogram. These little flitters above and below the baseline, but nothing tremendous happening there. No new trigger on the TTM squeeze indicator, and you see volume-wise quite a bit of selling pressure coming through today on the volume. So situated up near the upper bound of the channel for now. We'll see, if it's able to try to continue to put pressure on there. It's sort of at a point right now where it's, is it going to seek or see that there's some additional bullish momentum that needs to be exhausted before coming in to test the mid-range of the channel, that bright blue line. That could take shape if it catches support on the green wave cloud, but time will tell on this one here. But sort of curious to see, where do the sellers keep showing up in this range, and how long can the bulls continue to push it back into that area if the sellers do continue to show up there. Alright folks, I hope that your trading week is off to a good start, and as always, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video.